Today I want to share with you this modern triangles quilt which was designed by the Thangles company. I particularly like it, A, because it's modern, B, because I can use 5-inch squares, and C, because it's quick and easy with Thangles. As you can see, it's really half-square triangle units set with a fair bit of background fabric. Don't be too cavalier about the placement of this bit of paper. This strip up the middle is going to be where you cut. So you're going to pop these roughly together, not too big a gap there, and that's the bit you're going to line up. So I've got two now in the same fabric of this, and when this one is sewn, I would get two of obviously this colour, and I would just work my way through to create the number of little units that I want. This is now a perfect 3.5-inch perfect 4-inch square, which will be 3.5 inch when we're finished. The pattern then asks you